Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a successful application with Common App, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Common App website at www.commonapp.org. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to verify your account. Log in to your newly created account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard with various sections. Click on the College Search tab to begin adding schools to your application list. Use the search bar to find colleges you're interested in. Select the colleges and click Add to My Colleges. Next, navigate to the My Colleges section. Click on each college to review their specific requirements. Pay attention to deadlines for application submissions and additional materials. Now, move to the Common App tab. Start filling out your personal information, including your address and date of birth. Proceed to the Family section and enter information about your parents or guardians. In the Education section, provide details about your high school and any courses taken. Next, head to the Testing section if you have standardized test scores to report. Decide whether you want to submit test scores, as some schools are test optional. Continue to the Activities section and list extracurricular activities, jobs, or volunteering experiences. Describe your roles and the time commitment for each activity. Move on to the Personal Essay section. Select a prompt you feel strongly about and start writing your essay. Ensure that your essay reflects your personality and experiences. Once your essay is complete, proofread it for clarity and grammar. After finishing the main sections, check the Writing tab for additional writing supplements or essays required by specific colleges. Once you've completed all required sections, review your application for any missing or incorrect information. Finally, submit your application by clicking the Submit button for each college on your list. Keep track of submission confirmations and follow up as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.